I have every single player game known to man. I'm so funny. I'm sorry. I'm so funny. So funny. Your boy Steven Adams, thank you for the supa.
Magkakasakit ka. Mas lalo na kapag yung transition to fall at saka winter. Hi Millie, it's my first time. Oh no. Your boy, Stephen Adams, thank you so much for the super chat. Hi Millie, it's my first time coming to your stream. It's a pleasure to meet you. Oh no. I am so sorry. This is your first stream. I am currently talking to my native. Stephen, welcome to the stream. So, as you can see here, this is my cousin. This is my second cousin. This is my third cousin. This is my fourth. My peep. That one on the party, that's my 6,700 cousin. Okay? And the other one is the 1,037 cousin. Okay? So, everyone here are cousin. You are also our cousin. Welcome.
Your boy, Stephen Adams. My first time coming to your stream. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much for joining in for your first time. Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Okay. Your boy, Stephen Adams. Thank you so much for that super chat, my love. Thank you. I love puppies.
What it is, guys? It is your boy Steven Adams here. I haven't done a single Happy Tree Friends reactions for a while. So, we're doing that right now. We're gonna watch the Smoochie ones now. We're gonna watch the Sniffles one. One of us should visual the link in the description down below. It's by Mondo Media. Go subscribe. Let's start the video right this instant.
Wow!
Dang.
Huh? What?
Dang. Okay. That Sniffles Smoochie is down. I think there's a couple more Smoochies left, in my opinion. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Want to watch the visual video? The link in the description down below. It's by Mondo Media. Go subscribe. And see how many. Let's see what's left. There's the Easter one. There's the Olympic one. There's the nutty one. There's the flaky one. So that's 4. Let's see. I think there's the Cuddles one. So that must be 5 left. For my opinion. Yeah, there's 5 left. I already know what all there's left though. You guys have a great day. Thank you all for watching. See you all next video. Peace out.